Hello from tajmotormedics. I've got a Kia Soul here. This is my third video on this one, so it'll be in parts. I've got the first one was done for the position lamp, stop lamp, because they work together. The second one was on the position lamp for the front driver's side. Now I'm doing the main dip bulb, which is a high beam, low beam bulb on the passenger side front. Now can you turn the lights on, please? As you can see, that there is working. The position is working as well. This here is working. Can you put the full beam on? Now, as you can see, the full beam is working, but the dip bulb is the low beam isn't. So I'm going to show you how to replace it. The bulb you need, turn the lights off, please. The bulb you need is a H4 bulb. Now, if you did want one, there'll be a link for it in the description. And you can click on that, get one from there. To do the job, it is easy. Like I've mentioned in the first video, in the second video, sorry, for the position lamp, the casing was missing on this side. The casing is something like this, the cover on the back. So you can find that from Kia's. Get one for it before you get a lot of condensation on the inside. Then you'll have problems with the bulb. Now, what you got to do is, you got to take the plug out first. So to take this out, don't put a lot of pressure on the bulb, but what you can do, gently wiggle the bulb, a holder, the plug. Let me just get my other hand in there, it'll be better. And then pull the plug out. So wiggle gently and pulling at the same time. As you can see, I just done that. I'll move the plug to the side, and then you've got this little spring here. Just remember how you take the bulb out, that's how it goes back in. So if I push the spring down and then to my left, the spring is up now. As you can see, that's the spring right there, and the connectors right there as well. So what I'll do now is take the bulb out. Just remember how you take it out, that's how you want to put it back in as well. That's it. So it goes in like this. Even though you may be able to see the locators for it. Get that out of the way. So there's one there, one on this side, one on the top. Now get the new one. That's the new one, so I'm going to put it in like this. So the pin, the single pin is facing up. So go like this, slide it through. Make sure you don't touch the bulb on the front. So slot it in. Once I slot it in, I just got to make sure it's lined up properly. That's in there now. So all I do is I need to look. So make sure it's in. Yep, that's perfect. So it's in there now. So all I do is bring this down and then push into the gap there. So push towards the left, down, and then in, and then let go. That's it, that's done. So the bulb is sitting in perfect. So I'm just gonna plug it back in, and we're gonna check to see if the lights are working. So first thing first, go on then, turn the lights on please. As you can see, that there's working. Flash at me. That's lovely. Turn the lights off. Right, that's all it was. If you're not too sure about the bulb as well, so if you fit it in correctly, what will happen is you'll be blinding people in front of you. So make sure, that's one thing you need to make sure, the bulbs are fitted in correctly. So if it isn't, check it again. Okay, if there's anything else you need to know, come on us below, we'll try helping you out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.